Hey guys, Sarah here from the Glitter Guy, and today we are going to make our own brush washer thing. Brush washer basin. Basin for your brushes. And we are going to use glitter. Shocker. As always, I have literally no idea how much epoxy this is going to take, but I do know that I have plenty of epoxy. I got this mold off Maple Street. It looks like a good mold, so I think I got it from Maple Street Supply. I guess I'd rather have more than less, so let's just go with 90 of each side. I think this is fast set. I thought about refilling these bottles, and I thought about what I would refill them with and where I'd get it from, and I'm like, oh, there's a regular set over there, and I'm like, me and Jason had this conversation that I mislabeled these. For some reason, my brain went C for quick coat epoxy, so I did CCE, and that would explain why it felt like it was setting up so quick when I was pouring it. Guys, properly label your epoxy bottles. So either this is gonna turn out really, really cool, or it's gonna burn my molds. Can't be that bad. I feel like I've done this before, intentionally almost. It's not bad. I think I paid like 10 bucks for this little mixer. Yeah, we'll see how that cures, but feeling and looking pretty good. Let's switch cups, make sure we got it all mixed up. I can't believe I used fast set. Give it one little final mix. That's crazy. I felt it setting up and I'm like, this just doesn't make sense. All right, well, let's see if there's enough epoxy. All right, this one I have Home Wrecker. I think for this deeper pour with my fast set, yikes, is gonna look really cool. And I got some Marabou ink here. I'm gonna put some in the cup, pour it over top, and see if, I don't know what I think that's gonna do, but. Aha! Tilt it on its side. There's a hair in it. It's my, oh no, that's not a hair, that's the, it looked like a hair. Well, because it would be blue, wouldn't it? False alarm, guys, false alarm. Maybe too much epoxy in the first glitter mix. That looked pretty cool though. I want it like really sparkly though. That'll do it. All right, let's see what this goes. Oh, how unsatisfying. I needed just a droplet more. I have no self-control. Do a little squirt squirt. Well guys, special treat for you. I was gonna save it for another day, but I have a soap making mold and we're gonna layer it because I only have this much epoxy left. So we're gonna do a layer today and another layer on another day. This one I know I got from Amazon. Should have just mixed all the glitter in there anyway. Do I want to do Home Wrecker is the question, I suppose. I wonder if I can make it like a beachy theme. I'll use blue, and then I'll end it with sand. Let's see if this works. Use some dilly dilly, which I just happen to have at the ready. It's really pretty. All right, let's get this in the mold before it cures in the cup. Probably gonna fill it up halfway. That was a good amount of epoxy. So we are going to let these cure overnight, although that seems a little much since it's quick set, but I don't want to pop them out just yet, and we'll see what we got. We'll pour the rest of this one as soon as this is cured enough to layer on top of it. Well guys, although I did accidentally use fast set in these, and that was unintentional, feels like there's curing happening here. It's been sitting for 2 or 3 days now. Let's demold them and see what we got. This was easy. Actually, this is really nice to demold. The colored molds usually are. I already see a few bubbles, but they're on the bottom. I'm not that worried about it. Let's see what it looks like. Look, But, I mean, I'm pretty sure that this is for washing your paintbrushes. Let's see if I get some water in here, shall we? It's not the smartest idea I've ever had on here, but it's not the worst. Seems to be working. Maybe that one doesn't get water. Nah. Because look at that. I guess maybe it doesn't get water because you kind of like, you could dip in here and then brush, like, because of the little bumpy raisies. But for a mold that you're going to make yourself, this is impressive. This is definitely not like something like this. This guy, I leave him filled for longer than I should before I change the water. This is definitely one of those pulled out for a craft and then dump it later on. I like that. You got your little bumpies so you can get it off, and then you got your little basin. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that this has inspired you guys to go out and make your own office supplies also. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss everything that we're going to keep putting out. And I'll see you next Wednesday.